There's another way to format numbers, positive, negative, and zero, beyond format conditional formatting. I'm going to show you how to do this in this video. And we can assign very specific colors to positive, negative, or zero. All we have to do is go up to Format, Number, and click on the bottom, Custom Number Format. Here you'll see what looks to be a pretty crazy format, but I'm going to step through this piece by piece and show you where you can get this positive, negative, zero, and you can see the format. So let's delete this because you might not see that to begin with. You might be used to something like this, something like hashtag, which allows you to say, hey, there are some zeros. When there are, put a comma here. You could also do zeros where always have some kind of leading zeros no matter the number. But you can also do $, hashtag, comma, hashtags, and see that we have dollars here. Then we can add a semicolon, and right away you can see the example changes to positive and negative. So now if I copy and paste this, and now I have $, and then I have another semicolon, we have zero. Then another semicolon, we have text. So what this is doing is saying, hey, if there is a positive number, show it like this. If there is a negative number, show it like this. If there is a zero, show it like this. Maybe we don't put any $. And then add another semicolon, and we say, what happens when there's just text? Not a number, but text. And so we can add as many little formats. We can change the positive and negative. Maybe negative, we want to have parentheses around it. Maybe when it says zero, we want to put the word zero, so we do it in quotes. And maybe we want that zero to be in cyan or yellow or red color. So we have a brackets. We put square brackets around the color. And there's only a few colors we can select. We can select blue, green, red, yellow, magenta. Can do white and black. And did I mention cyan, which I think is one of the most interesting ones. Let's say white. And white is funny because white, most of the time, our background is white, but not all the time. So this white and black are fairly interesting that we can force a color in this custom number format based on what it is, positive, negative, zero, or is it text. We can put all the text in magenta. And so we see here we have a positive number, and let's put that as green in square brackets. We have in parentheses any negative numbers, and we're going to put that in red coloring. And if it's the number zero, we will actually put the word zero, because we can do that in quotes. We can even add, say, some kind of zeros here in front of it, the number zero and a hashtag. We can do zeros and then the word zero and then zeros again to really be like, oh my God, there's a lot of zeros here. Let's click apply, and we see it's only applied to this cell. So let's apply the same custom format here. So format, number, and we have this saved one up here. And you see the result. You have green positive numbers. You have red negative numbers with parentheses around them. The word zero with some zeros around it when it's zero. We can change this, and it is 200 there. If we only have 11 sales, we have a loss. And this is really cool number formatting that we can do beyond conditional formatting without having to tweak each and every one of those differently and treat them differently in conditional formatting. We can do it all here in number, custom number format. So maybe you want zero actually to be not shown, like a zero, and you want it to be white. Let's apply that. Select all that, format, and all of that. And you can see it's fade away here. But let's put it on this one, 25 here. It's literally white. So even on a gray background, you can see it a little bit. I think this number and custom number format with colors is such a great added weapon to your arsenal that you can do really cool little things here that's going to make your spreadsheet stand out way more. But if you're looking for real automation, make sure you check out Spreadsheet Automation 101 over at Better Sheets. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.